Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city, Patna? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Patna. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. We have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They'll assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Mahendra's Educational Limited. Mahendra's Educational Private Limited is a well-known name in Patna for SSC coaching. The tagline of the institute is, "Your success is our success." Mahendra's also provides classes for other competitive examinations like banking and railway. Further, they provide class notes to the students and well-experienced and expert faculties are there to guide the students. In addition to this, they also provides online test series and offline test series. Now let us talk about the address and other contact details. The address of the coaching institute includes 3rd floor, shop number 219-233, Pandey Mall above Vishal Mega Mart, Fraser Road, Patna, Bihar 800001. The contact number of the institute is 09204855305. Okay, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of the institute is rupees 6,950 rupees, and this is for 4 to 5 months. The batch size of the institute is 35 to 40 students in a batch. At rank 4, we have Paramount Coaching Center. Paramount Coaching was established in 2006 and is known for its quality education. It provides online test series to students to analyze their weaknesses and strengths. Further, the institute provides printed books, practice sets, and online study material to their students. In addition to all this, well-experienced faculties are always there to guide the students. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details of the institute. So, the address of Paramount Coaching includes JJ Complex, 1st floor, East Boring Canal Road, opposite Bharat Petrol Pump, Kidwaipuri, Patna, Bihar 800004. The contact number of the institute is 070-330-97555. Now let us talk about the fee structure. So, the fee structure of the institute is 14,000 rupees and the batch size is quite large, that is 90 to 100 students in a batch. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Chronicle Banking Service Academy. Chronicle Banking Service Academy is one of the best coaching institute in Patna for SSC coaching. This academy provides study material and test series to their students, and faculties are well experienced who guide the students in right direction of success. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. So, the address of Chronicle Banking Service Academy includes 2nd floor, Sumati Place, opposite Alankar Place, Boring Road, Patna, Bihar 800001. The contact number is 093341 02329. The fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 14,500 rupees, and this is for 6 months. The batch size of the institute is 30 to 40 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Patna. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.